Hare Krishna, everyone. This is my first video. Today, I will discuss about the three topics in C programming. Those are essential as well as important for MAKAUT examination. And we will also solve a lot of PYQs that had asked in 2023, 22, and a lot of questions we have. So let's start with the amazing style with EngineerBabu style. So first we will discuss about instructions and operators. It will be a very short discussion. Okay, so let's start with the first part with instructions and operators. The type of instruction. Type of instructions. There are declaration, input and output, arithmetic and control. We'll discuss all of the things. So and operators are arithmetic. There are total 7 operators. Total 7 operators. First, arithmetic. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, division, and this is the special one called modulus. This helps to find out the remainder. Later we'll discuss about it. And the second one is relational, logical, increment and decrement, assignment, conditional, and bitwise. This is very, very, very sexy. Okay. So this is the brief introduction, and shortly I will discuss about the instructions and the operators. There are many data type. There are several type of data types present in C programming, but mainly int, float, char, double. Those data types mainly used for C programming, but you can use a lot other things also, and we also use the format specifier to access the value or print the value, everything. int के लिए जो होता है वो होता है परसेंटेज d, float के लिए परसेंटेज f, char के लिए परसेंटेज c, एंड डबल के लिए परसेंटेज l, f. So There is a special thing about the cat. What's that? Okay. Okay. Let me introduce something. Okay, remove it. I will remove it. Okay, I will put it here. Okay, here is it is. Okay. इनपुट आउटपुट इज printf scanf arithmetic के लिए तो ये है प्लस माइनस एंड ऑल ऑन ओके ओके this indicates to declare something and this is for equal, this is not equal. What is the difference between it? This is post increment and this is pre increment. First increase होगा, उसके बाद लिखेंगे हम. You can set it prefix. This is postfix. मतलब हम पहले फिक्स करेंगे फिर लिखेंगे. इसमें हम पहले लिखेंगे फिर फिक्स करेंगे. ओके ओके सो नेक्स्ट चलो कंडीशनल पे. Conditional, this is the most important. So introduction is completed. As such, there is not too much thing for discussion. Second part is very important. So this second part is very important, and the third one also. The second part is conditional. So they in here we will talk about if statement. If statement. Now what is if statement? First of all, we have to understand the syntax. Syntax is important. If is a condition, and now we have to write a code here. This is for if, and if else syntax. There is a condition. Here is the if. There is the else. And what does it mean if else? अगर एक conditions अगर एक condition अगर ये कंडीशन ट्रू हुआ तो ये प्रिंट होगा, अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हुआ तो ये प्रिंट, अगर कंडीशन ट्रू हुआ तो ये, नहीं तो ए. Okay, actually it's a true case and it's a false case. So next we will go to else if. Okay, next. If else. If else. Wow. Else if. And what is else if? First syntax. And if again condition, there is the code, and now we can add here. Again we will give the condition. So again we will give the condition, and now we'll put the code here, and then and then we'll again write the same thing again. We can use the else if lot of time, as much as we need we can use it, and the end we can write else. So actually it's a professional look, that's why I'm saying this. And the last one is Swiss case or Swiss statement, both the same. So it's a switch. It's a Swiss case. It's a very important. It's very easy. This is the thing. You can see it here, right? Here is it. The choice one. You can do it these things again and again. Here it is. So go to next thing. Now the second part is complete. Conditional is completed. Conditional instructions. Okay. Okay. The third part is our loop control instructions. There are three type of loops. First, for loop. Second, the third one is do while loop. So first we will discuss about the for loop. So the for loop, this is the syntax of for loop. Yeah, this is here it is. This is the syntax for for loop, and this is the do while loop. Here it is. So do, then here it is the condition, and this is the while loop. It is a condition, is a code, and it's an increment or decrement. Basically, for loop is most important. Most of time we will use the for loop for our code, make it better, look sensitive. Okay, it's done. Three things is completed. Now we will acquire the practical knowledge. So now we will solve the questions. Ready to fun. Yes, here it is. Make it like this. We'll solve the questions one by one. Topic wise question we'll solve. I will reveal every question one by one. Okay. So now I hope my screen is audible and visible. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes, it's okay. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Let's start. So the first question is asked in 2021. Write a C programming to swipe to variable using a third variable. Wow, it's a great question. Copy it, paste it here. No need to paste. Okay. So first we have to declare three variables. Although here is mentioned that we have to use two variable is a third variable, that means we have to declare three variables. First, I will declare A, B, and C. Okay, fine. The part of declaration part is completed. Now I'll swap. I can use it also. And now I can just C equals to A, A equals to B, and B equals to C. So it's a format to swipe of any numbers or any variables. This is the format. Okay. So now what I have to do now, I have to print. So I mentioned it, okay, but I have to take it from the user. So I will do it for more interactive. Okay. Although it's an integer, that's why I am using the percentage %d. This is the part of user input. Now I will, but first I will mention it. Now I will type the processing. I can use the process from here, and then I will print my final product. What is asked? Okay, I will do it after 2 variables. are this and this. Okay. Now let's run. It works. So first I will enter first number. This is, let's say, 1. Oh, to change it here. Here I have to. Okay. Stop this. I didn't make it as second. And make it B. Okay. Run. First number is 1. Second number is 2. After the swipe resistance are 2. Okay, that works. Very good. Okay. Now next, let's go to the next question. Okay, it's solved. So next question. Explain the difference between. Oh, I have already discussed this question, so I'll skip it. So it's a increment and it's a post increment. Okay, I'll see you. I will give you the example. Don't worry. Cut it. Say 4 thing. Okay. So here whatever I will put first, it will, its name is post fix. पहले लिखेंगे उसके बाद fix करेंगे. So let's run this code. So if I run, so let's, I will put it 5. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me make it better again for better luck. Okay. Let's run the code. I put the 5. Now, what will happen? This is the post increment. First और post fix. पहले लिखेंगे उसके बाद फिक्स करेंगे. पहले लिख दिया उसके बाद फिक्स करते हैं. उसके एक का जो वैल्यू है वो अभी 6 हो गया है. 6 हो गया है. इसके बाद ये है हमारा प्रीफिक्स. पहले लिखेंगे उसके बाद फिक्स करेंगे. लिख दिया 6, उसके बाद फिक्स करेंगे. और प्लस प्लस का मतलब ये एक से बढ़ेगा. 6 + 1 = 7. So now ये है हमारा, ये भी एक पोस्ट फिक्स है जो डिक्रीमेंट पोस्ट फिक्स है. तो पहले ये लिखेगा जो है ए का वैल्यू, करंट डे का जो वैल्यू है वो लिखेगा 7 एंड दैट विल डिक्रीज 1 6. उसके बाद लिखेगा उसके बाद if अगर मैं यहाँ पर ये लिख दूँ if I write this only this code, so you okay, I have to stop. First I have to stop this, then copy this, and then now paste it here. And guess what will happen? The question will be 5. Let's see, enter the 5 number. Again, it's a 5. I hope you understand. So this question is done. The next question. Evaluate the expression into the float. Explain the output. Okay. Right, I am ready. So evaluate the expression into okay. तो यूजर फ्रेंडली का ज़रूरत नहीं है, चलिए मैं इसको कमेंट आउट कर देता हूँ. उसके बाद ये भी कमेंट आउट कर देता हूँ. Then I have to put the values a equals to 5 and then v का जो वैल्यू है v equals to कितना है 2 है. ओके, तो ये लिख दिया. इसके बाद हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, फ्लोट करना पड़ेगा. फ्लोट x equals to a plus b. चलो पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं क्या आता है. तो उसके लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर चलो यहाँ पर ही कर देते हैं. तो चलो t फ्लोट वैल्यू कॉपी कर लेते हैं. कॉपी कर लेते हैं, यहाँ पर पेस्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ इसको हम मिक्स कर देते हैं. देन व्हाट विल प्रिंट, लेट्स सी. राइट, it will show some garbage value. When you see this, it will show some garbage value. Why it's happened? Because it's an integer and it's a float part, so it is impossible. So for calculation we have to convert it into float. So how would you do this? You can do this using typecasting. You can use this by using typecasting. So I will typecast it into float, and then now let's run again. It will show some another garbage value. Wow, correct. So what can we do? Hare Krishna Prabhu. First we have to understand that what can we do. Let's make it just experiment कर रहा हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं क्या होगा, but होगा जरूर कुछ. Let's say, oh wow, again it's a garbage value. तो पहले हमको इस कोड को क्या करना पड़ेगा, what we have to understand first that what we have to do to solve this question. You know, again it will show the garbage value. So we have to read Okay. Now I can understand what I am doing. So you have to read. You should read the error. Now it will run. Yes, it works. What I have done the mistake. Yeah. Float. डाटा टाइप फ्लोट के लिए हमारा जो फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर हो परसेंटेज है यहाँ पर ही गलती कर रहा था. Okay, so again this question is solved. Let's go to the next question. Here we have wow, what's the question? Write a C programming to check whether a number is even or not using else. Wow. This question is very beautiful. Let's move it. Let's make it happen. Another thing what I have to do. Even okay, I will put one number. Let's comment out this and wake up to reality. Okay, I will get, copy it again, make it different. Okay. And make it this, then okay, it's done. User part is completed. Then what I have to do, I have to check it's even or not. Okay, first we have to use the format as well as the syntax. Here I have to write the condition. Condition, what's the even not condition? Percentage equals to 0. If it satisfies this condition, that means it's a even part. And now I'll write this here. That this is EPE. This is even. And then else part we will write this. Now run this program and let's see what will happen. Okay, I will put the 5. Yes, this is even. Yeah, what? Is this even number? Wow, great. Now let's see what will happen. Again, I will run this code. Let's put 5. This is the odd number. Yes. Okay, it works properly. Go to the next question. Turn. Okay. I can use it. I can solve the question by using the switch case statement. So here it is asked for solving. As here it is said to solve this code using the else if condition, but I will solve it using switch case statement for you, as giving the example of switch case, that how it works, what's the function of switch case. Okay, solve this question using a switch case statement. Wow, what a okay. Here is the code. This is using the switch case statement, how it works. Let's first discuss this. First we have, first I declare, basically I make a container of name is variable. Name is marks, which is the integer type. So this is the path for the user input, and this is the path for process. So from 10 to 9 it's excellent, and from 8 to 9 means from 80 to 70. From 8 to 70, 80 to 70 it's a good, and 60 to 50 it's average, and from 4 to 0 it's fail. The main thing is this. This is the main part. The condition is marks by 10. let's run this question. Suppose I get 65 out of 100. It's average because it's between this 60. Basically, it's less than 70. That's why show this. Again, I will put it 35. Then it will show file. Okay. Wait. If you want to solve this using if-else condition, that also possible. I have this code right here. Where is the code? This is the import of marks from user, and this is the all the process. If your marks is this is what's this? This is the logical operator. Here it is. This is the logical operator. It means yeah, and it's been and. What does the condition mean? If a student get marks, although it's a variable, it's greater or equal 90 and less or equal 100, then print excellent. Both condition must be true, otherwise it will not print this. Suppose if I put the this logical operator, I mean all logical operator, then what will happen? Let's see. I will put 92. It will show excellent. Okay. If first condition is true, then it's okay at that case. But in AND operator, both statement must be true. So this question is finished. Now this question is also easy. You can easily solve it. So the other nice part is this loop control questions. This is very interesting and also fascinating. So write a program to print the multiplication table of a number using loop. Let's do it. Give a chance. You can do anything. Okay. So first, we have to do. First, we will declare some variables. And now we will take the user input. That if almost everywhere the user input type is same. It's a user input. And now here I will process is the processing part. Okay. Processing part. So first we will type in the printf question is multiplication table number, copy and paste it here. of number, which number, which number I will put the percentage here to the number, and then I will initiate this by the num variable, and okay, great. So first I will do this and I will finish this code using semicolon. Okay, but then now I will use the loop. Otherwise, I can initiate it later. So here I will reduce the for loop because maximum time we will use the for loop. So for loop structure is this. First I have to initialize it and also declare initialized, and here we have to write out the conditions that I, because we will multiply it, so up to 10, and also the increment, it will also be increment. So now here we will write our printable code that we want, that we want this. Here is percentage d, percentage d. This first now satisfy final product is this. So let's run this code and let's see what will happen. So do you want to know? I want to do some 5 10. 5. Here is the problem. 5. Okay. I will percentage backslash n is here, and the code is 5. Here it is. Okay, all these things are bit unity. If I want to calculate level up to 100, so I will put the 0 here and then put the 5, and it will be up to 100. Basically, this condition is very important. Otherwise, all those things will be remain same. Only this condition part will be changed according to our need. So this question is complete, and then now go to the second question. It's Fibonacci series. Wow, great question. So first, we will solve it using while loop. What is the syntax of while loop? Where is this is the syntax of while loop. Okay. Okay. Fine. So we will put it here. Then this is the code. Okay. First we have to initialize this. All the code is here. From already it is mentioned here. The first 10. So we'll initialize from 0 and then n. We count first 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. The sum of 2 equals to this. The sum of 2 equals to this. This is the process of Fibonacci series. Okay. द कंडीशन में अगर इससे छोटा हुआ तो नेक्स्ट जो है यहाँ पर दो का सम होगा, इसका भी नेक्स्ट प्रिंट होगा। उसके बाद जो बी का जो वैल्यू है वो ये पे प्रिंट होगा, ए का जो इसका जो वैल्यू है बी में प्रिंट होगा, फिर इससे काउंट करेगा तो 8 से बढ़ेगा। Let's do it. Yeah, here it is. Good question. And you can solve this question easily. It's a very easy question. It's a very, very, very easy question. So both question is solved. So this topic is this is completed. Okay, great. So thank you. So, so thanks for watching this video.